Okay, welcome back to another unboxing, guys. So excited. My cat is mad at me yet again out of town. He's coming back. He's going to be a part of the video at this point. We tried to scare him away. It's not working. So, I have some new designs that I want to show you guys that are available now. I just bought 4 or 5 items for you. I think we're going to do 4 today. I have another pair of shoes that I might present in a video tomorrow. Just filling it out, you know, playing around with some things right now. I got some new shoes coming out soon too, so I'm really excited. Hopefully these get you guys interested in those shoes. So we're going to start with, of course, again, blind man, so I don't know what product you're gonna get first. My son is holding the camera for me, so he's gonna let you guys know what we got. It's like Jack in the Box, you know? So, yeah, so excited. As I said in previous videos, I really am excited to do this because I'm going to be my own billboard for the clothing brand. And I'm hoping, you know, I'm just walking through work and stuff and people are gonna be like, oh my God, what is that? Oh God, okay, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. All right, all right, all right. Oh God, we upside down with it. What we got?
8.
ATE. 8 the money, no crumbs. So this is the 8 design. This is one of my fiance's favorite designs that she's made so far. I'm super excited to wear this one just because I was told that it looks great. What do you think, son?
It is a gold mouth with 8 in it. I think it definitely is dope.
Okay, all right. Yes.
Is there anything to the back of it?
No, I don't think there's anything on the back. I think it's just one side.
It is one side.
Yeah, just the one side. Super excited. This one is probably one of my favorite designs from the way it's been described to me. Anybody who's seen it said they like it a lot. So, you know, power of thought, guys. Make it real. Make it happen. All right. Yeah, I'm terrible at folding colors. Yeah. We going for number 2. Feels like Christmas. It feels like. Uh-oh. All right. All right. All right. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. I really like the quality of these so far.
925.
Oh, 9-to-5 side hustler.
Yeah, I think that's my favorite.
You think this is your favorite?
Yep.
Did you not see this design yet?
Nope.
Yeah. Looks good, right?
Yeah.
It's the cursive one?
I think the side hustler is cursive, but the 925 is like a weird font.
Okay. Weird good, I'm assuming?
It's red with diamonds in it. And then the ends of the things are like curled. I like it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm digging this one. Because I am a 9-to-5 side hustler. That's what I do. I get my side hustle on.
Oh no. I'm more of an 8 to 6 side hustler.
Okay, 8 to 6. I mean, you just gotta.
I get in longer.
Yeah, you gotta just outdo me. I understand.
Mm-hmm.
You're a one upper. One upper.
One thing I'm good at.
Up it, stuck it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you guys are thinking of these designs. We have a lot more. Ooh. I know the last hoodie because of all the other ones we opened.
Which one is this? Oh, this one's a blue one.
Ooh, the package's quality on this. This one feels the best. This is probably gonna be the one that I take off for the one I'm wearing.
Ah, damn.
Oh damn!
That one, I actually like the blue with the picture on that one.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Vibrate higher. Splash. Like it?
I like it.
Yeah. Okay. I'm feeling good about these designs. The only one you didn't really jump at was the ATE, which surprises me.
Oh, I been saw that one.
Oh, that's probably why.
I been saw it. I think that was the first design Mom showed me.
Oh, okay. Okay. I understand now.
I said 8 would work well, and I got a off black hoodie. but it's on a black hoodie. Some of the designs will work better on different colors.
Yeah. Well, I mean, we offer different colors on the website.
I know we just like black.
Yeah, I'm just a black guy. You know what I mean?
Yo, TJ, that side eye is crazy. Jesus.
My bad. But yeah.
I feel like I'm laughing too much.
I'm probably gonna put on these shoes first out of all of my shoes that I bought and made. Ooh,
Come on, show the packaging. Show the packaging.
Oh, yeah,
Bring it up.
Right. It comes in a nice little bag. I don't even know what this bag is about. I really like it. It's a nice bag. In my bag. What's in my bag, guys?
Mm-hmm.
What is in my bag? Okay, all right. Uh-oh. Okay. Which way is it? Okay. Boom.
Damn, lion.
Yes, these are the Sunline Diamonds, guys. Even has, supposedly from what I've been told, has a nice little design on
Oh, yeah, it does.
on the face. Yeah.
I like that a lot.
These are my new Chucks. Super excited. I love the design, everything that was described to me, kind of, you know, because I have a piece of my story where there's this kind of magical jewelry called the Sunline Diamond. So I was inspired by that from one of my books and wanted to make something iconic for it. And I think this is really pulling it off. Probably gonna wear these immediately, guys. But yeah, let us know if you are liking the content, if you are liking the designs, if you have any ideas that you think that would be great for us to construct and make. We are a creative company, so we're here to make everything. We want to be graphically made for everybody in the world. T-shirts for people who are serious, funny, adventurous, whatever. We're here to do it all. But yeah, love yourself. Would you say something?
Hold the shoes one more time.
Okay, hold the shoes one more time.
I'm about to do thumbnail.
Thumbnail. How you gonna do a thumbnail?
Well, while you're doing the video, you can take a picture now.
Oh, okay, cool.
There you go. Yeah, bam.
Yeah,
And now you can do your outro.
Oh, yeah. Subscribe, like, come shop at Royal Tea Store. That is ROYAL-T.STORE. Royal-T.store. So come have fun with us. That's what we're about. If you got any designs that, like I said, you want us to make for you, let us know. We're willing to work with anybody, any and everybody. Got a lot of love for the creative community, and I'm glad that you guys are being so nice to me and letting me go on this designing adventure with you all, and that it's really coming to fruition. We're getting a lot of traffic. In the last week, we've had more than 450 views to the site, which just makes me, so excited for what's to come. We have, we're trying to do some sort of clothing carnival that's here in town in the next few months. Got to get more details on that so we can get a booth prepared. So in my next video, I'll probably put more information for that. But other than that, guys, I hope you're enjoying. I hope you're having as much fun as I'm just tongue-tied today. I just got out of a long car ride. I'm exhausted. But yeah, no, I'm back. We're ready to do this. Enjoy yourselves. Say hi to Saber. Yeah, thanks, Saber. And be back next time, guys, because I'm going to have some more goodies for you. Like I said, I got another pair of shoes. The Seraphims. They're on the website for you guys to check out. These are the Sunline Diamonds. Enjoy. Thanks as always, guys.